and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know that I didn't do any videos in the last 6 months, and that's because I was very busy with a lot of projects that were going on privately and also at work, so I hadn't had the time for some brand new videos. But right now I found the time again, and I can assure you that from today on there will come like very regularly videos from me with new products, stylish ones, and brand new. So today I have a very special bag for me that I want to present to you. It's the classy Alma BB from Louis Vuitton. So those who knows my videos know that I also have the Alma PM. I also showed her to you in my last videos. So this is like the baby of the Alma PM. It's the Alma BB, and I am so in love with this bag, guys. I will just show you a little bit around so you can see the size of the bag. So as you can see, it's a quite small one and like a little baby, and it really suits me because also I'm not so tall, and I can use it for like going out or when I have like an elegant dinner. This is also what I love about this bag, is that you can combine it with very different occasions. You can do it like casually or just super elegant, because this bag goes with everything. So let me show you a few details of this beautiful bag. As you can see, it is the Damier canvas model from Louis Vuitton. Also, I wish to have the Alma with the monogram, but I couldn't get it right now because it's always sold out on the Louis Vuitton website and also in the shop, so I will try my luck again. But for now I have this one in the Damier canvas and I am in love with it. Here I'm gonna show you the handles, which are very short. I hope you can see it properly. You can also see that this bag is only with golden hardware, which I love. I will also show you the zip, which is also golden, and you can easily open it, but I will open it a little bit later. Also here on the handles you have these beautiful golden buttons. And on the bottom of the bag you have those safety buttons over here, which are also in golden color. So brown colors with the golden accents are like my most favorite kind of style when it comes to bags, because it just looks like so elegant and I just love how it suits me. I think you already saw that here I got my initials done, so you can do it in every color you want, I guess, but I chose golden so it suits to my hardware, and also I'm a big gold fan, so this is why I do it in gold, so it's MT. And here I chose to do a number which is like the 26. I do it often with my Louis Vuitton bags. It just says like my age when I got the bag. So as you can see, I got this bag like just this year, so I'm 26 now, and my future bags will have the 27 and going on. So yeah, let's go to the interior of the bag, which is the most beautiful thing about this. Also, you can remember it from my other Alma. It's this beautiful vibrant red color, guys, which gives this bag such an extravagant look, and it just makes the bag so chic, and it's just like a surprise factor. When you look at it, you can like see this bomb reddish color, guys. This is so sexy and nice. I just love it. Here you can put like some of your cards. You have like this beautiful department here. So this all in all, guys, is such a beautiful bag. I wear it all the time, and as you can see, I always keep it in the safety bag, so it just stays clear with no scratches. Also, I have to say that this beautiful leather from Louis Vuitton doesn't scratch so easily, so I would say that this bottom part over here would get a little bit of scratches because the leather is very fine. But this one here and here over there, it's like the canvas leather, and this is very robust and it doesn't get any scratches, so you don't have to be so careful with it. It's not like lamb leather or any other leather. It's very beautiful. Also, what I like about this particular kind of model from the Damier canvas at the Alma bag is the handle. So if you know, the handle of the monogram Alma are like very bright ones, so it's like a beige, like this bag here, and in time that color gets like a little bit of brownish, so it changes the color. But this one here, guys, it just stays like this, the color doesn't change, and you can just wear it all and over again. What I would recommend to you if you buy this bag, or also the Speedy in Damier canvas, which has like almost the same handles, is that you are a little bit aware when your hands are like sweating, because the leather over here is also a little bit sensitive, so it could be that the leather falls off in time if you're like sweating a lot or like walking very fast and then you're sweating, then the handles can get a little bit scratched. So guys, I will close the bag again now, and I will show you this strap that comes with the bag. Also, you can see it's with golden beautiful hardware. Here you can see a little bit the initials of Louis Vuitton. It's very minimal written, but I think you can still see it a little bit. I will just show you how I put it on the bag. It looks so beautiful and nice. Just clip it over here and then do it straight on the other side, and then you have like this beautiful bag, guys, with this beautiful strap. This is such a nice and sexy bag. I love wearing it with a strap and also without it, but I think with this strap, this bag is so practical because you can just wear it like crossbody, and it's just like your hands free. You can put in your mobile phone, your wallet, your keys, everything fits inside this bag, so it is not too small. Even my big Louis Vuitton wallet fits in this bag, so this is very practical for me. You can put your key holder inside and everything, but of course it is not a big bag. So if you compare it to the Alma PM, you cannot like put your iPad inside or some bigger things like your agenda or something, but for the essential stuff, this bag is still enough. So all in all, I can say that this bag is like an eye catcher. Every girl needs this bag, guys, and this is also a timeless one. Also, I love that around this bag sometimes you have this beautiful Louis Vuitton writing. It's not all over, but it's like sometimes you have it here and here on this side, and again you have the same on the other side. What I also love is that you can personalize this bag. As I told you, I put my initials here, but you can write anything. If it's not too long, you can put your partner's initials or your sister's one. You can put your age or a date, so you can choose from everything that you want to put on it. So this bag is really like a unique bag for you guys. So this was my review about the Alma BB. All in all, I can recommend this bag with all my heart because it's just a girly classic bag that will never go out of style. And I still love to wear it even though I bought it at the beginning of the year. So yeah, this is my baby right now. So guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos and comment them. See you next time.